about content and just getting stuff out there, you create more courses than anybody I've ever seen. My man got Turo courses, he got Start Your Own Business courses, he got this, you got so walk us through the couple of things, right? Like, why did you even decide to get into the course creation game, right? First part, and then two, how are you cranking out so many courses? The same philosophy. I'm just like, look, package the value.
I know this now, get it out, boom. Or because how many courses do you have?
Yeah, it's about 15 maybe. It's a few.
I think it's more than that.
It might be more than that.
Okay.
Yeah, just walk us through that.
I actually got approached to teach on somebody else's platform before I even started my own platform. I didn't really have the confidence to just put myself out there.
Yeah.
But what I did is I taught on the Hood Estates platform. I taught them how to, I taught like the fundamentals of real estate, form your LLC, all of that stuff. And I did that. People were reaching out to me. You get the customers and they're like, hey, they have further questions. They want to do consultations, things like that. And so it's just cool to partner with somebody who already had a platform. I'm just helping them. I didn't charge them nothing. I didn't charge Hood Estates anything. And then Andre Hatchett came to me and he's like, hey, like, we've been doing this real estate as a group thing. You should teach a course for the Black Real Estate course or school. I was like, all right, I can do that. So I went on his page, taught, and then we wanted to do some more, and we had a disagreement about how I should be compensated. And I was like, you know what? I think I want the equity. I've been seeing that I can get people who want to listen to me. Let me just try this out. I found that Gumroad was a platform that I could just kind of record my content and put it on there because there's other platforms that are a little bit more complicated, a little bit more like barriers to entry. And Gumroad was just like, boom, get it out there. And so I recorded this long distance real estate investing course and it did well. And then I started pulling other stuff that I'd already done for other people. So I was like, all right, well, let me add the LLC course to my community, to my platform. Let me add the course I'd already done for him, which was investing as a group. I added that to my platform.
Because it's intellectual property.
Right,
So,
right. And so I started adding more things to my platform. And I was like, what else do I know? And I was like, all right, let me put this options course out there. I made a good amount of money with options. Let me see if I can just record that. And I launched it as a pre-sale. I didn't even record the content. People bought it. And one of the dudes was like, bro, like I paid for this. Like, are you gonna release it or not? And I was like, all right, I guess I got to go in here and record this content. So I went in there, recorded the content, and released it, and it sold. And I just kind of like went to sleep. And then somebody popped up, and they're like, bro, like I took your course, and like I made this much money. Like this is crazy. And I was like, all right, whatever. And then like somebody else kept saying the same thing, and they're like, man, I took your course. Next day, I made my money back in the same day. I was like, dang, that's crazy. And so then I started getting bombarded with like all these testimonials. And I knew I had something. And so then I just like put my foot on the gas.